Hello guys, welcome to Lifehacks N Tech. When I was creating my blog, I was spending a lot of time for removing background of image file. Then I realized there are some powerful tools available online. Today I'm going to show you one of them. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new content. The best part of this application is you don't have to download anything. Everything is online. Today I'm going to try this tool in my PC. I already tried this tool in my Android phone and it was working perfectly fine. Okay, now let's go to my desktop and I'll show you the picture I want to edit. Okay, let's open that folder and I will maximize this screen. Okay, I'll open one by one and show you if there is background or not. You can see this picture have background scenery. Okay, let's close this and I will show you all the pictures I have here. All of them have a background. Now let's close this tab and let's see how this tool remove background from all these images. Before moving to that, I'm gonna show you how I downloaded all these images for free without any copyright issues. You can open any of the browser you have in your device and type pixel on the address bar and search openpixel.com. We have plenty of non-copyright content there. Do check it out. Now let's go back to our background removal tool. Close this tab and let's search background remover on the address bar. Open background remover.bg. Once you open the website, tap on the remove background option at the top corner. Once you open, choose the upload image option. First image and tap open. And here we go. As soon as we uploaded, it already removed the background. And let's see how it's behaving once we downloaded the file. Let's go to downloads and open the file. Tap on it. As you can see, there is no more background here. It's completely removed the background. Okay, let's close this. Now let's try uploading another file. Let's see how this tool behave for this file. Open it. Okay, here we go. As soon as we downloaded, the background is gone. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, share with your friends. If you're using any other tool for removing the background, please put in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.